If you were to ask a French person, où est le quartier indien à Paris? And if the person knows the answer, you would be directed to Gare du Nord in the 10th arrondissement. Located north of Paris, it is not only the name of a prominent train station, but also the name of the neighborhood that has plenty of Indian supermarkets and restaurants. In this video, you will see the unique Indian veggies that are impossible to find otherwise in Paris, an Indian sweet shop, a street-side vendor, and many more.
I had some guests coming over this weekend, and it's a French couple, and they've let me know that they like Indian food. So I am now in Gare du Nord, and I'm going to pick up some ingredients from here. So let's have a look at Gare du Nord. There are quite a few supermarkets here in Gare du Nord, but I'm going to the one that's the most convenient for me to go to. This is one of the openings of Gare du Nord over here, so one of the entry points. And I think this one. Tristan, are you going to pick up vegetables for me?
Yes.
All right, okay. Let's see. So, yes, I think getting bhindi is very important. This is like a very... let me see, apart from bhindi, what else can I make?
Bhindi.
To find someone to help you?
Ginger and garlic and coconuts, and they even have this banana. Here, I think that we should take this one. This one, I'm gonna serve it as...
Take an extra one.
No.
Yeah, so I'm gonna take 2 packets of bhelpuri.
This?
I'm gonna pick up some onions from here, because the onions that you pick up from the Indian supermarket is a variety that is not available in the French supermarket. Please, let me do it. So, and these onions are really suited well for the Indian food. Thank you, Tristan. It's very hot. I'm gonna help myself with some bhindi. It's done. Tristan, can you please put this inside? Tristan.
You want this paneer? You said you know that you will buy the.
No.
Okay.
No. Now let's have a look over here. So they have some rajma, rasila, and curry pakoda, pav bhaji. So we have a lot of spices over here, and there's ghee as well. It's very important to understand that you need to check for the expiry date for anything that you get here, because sometimes they are past the expiry date, but it's still on. It's still presented on the shelves. Maybe I can take some instant tea pre-mixed chai, cardamom. I think that they would like that.
I don't know.
Wow, this is good. Thank you.
Can I try?
Nandaba. And
Oh, it's so soft, my God.
it's really good.
You don't smell.
Don't take. Hey, this is for sale, okay? You don't help yourself like that.
So the gentleman, he just made us taste.
And he made a sale.
Yeah. These are broken peas. Good.
Chutney, Italy chutney. Italy dosa chutney,
Oh,
coconut mixed chutney,
okay.
chili, chutney.
Oh, very nice. Oh, very good. But I don't know how to make it eat. Biryani masala, chicken, curry masala. Should I take curry masala? Only problem with ready-made masalas is that they can be really spicy at times. So that's why I really prefer to make it myself at home. But I'm going to go ahead and take this because I think that there would be more flavor to the cooking. So I'm gonna go and try this.
Do you have any kingfisher beers? No, you don't have alcohol.
No alcohol.
Okay, thank you.
Ah, you wanted to get
I will, don't worry. And if I don't find, no problem.
kingfisher.
It's fine. It's absolutely
It will be
fine.
there
Where?
when you're going 3 shops after.
Okay,
After the 3 shops you
Okay.
can find it.
VP cash and carry over
Yeah,
there?
yeah, over there you
Okay.
can find
okay.
Okay, we will go.
Thank you.
Thank you. This is really good.
This like
The selection of pickles. So
mango
you have
pickles,
the
I like.
very popular pataks.
Okay.
So,
Explain to us.
Yes, so you have drumsticks over here. Drumsticks, and of course this is our karela. Do you want to try some karela? Should I offer them some karela? No, I think it's very tricky. It's a very acquired taste.
This is the real drumsticks. Look at that.
This is some.
Oh, they are.
No, this is not drumstick.
The drumsticks, yes it is.
I don't think so.
I
Pierre.
think so.
This is drumstick, not this. Then you also have these small eggplants.
No, we need that. C'est grand.
You have
We need this, c'est grand.
curry leaves, but you also have fresh curry leaves. So I don't know all of these names because they are all in Tamil. So I've just picked up all of my groceries from that supermarket that we were in, and I'm going to go to another supermarket now where we need to pick up some Kingfisher beer bottles. Can you smell that, Piri? The smell of frankincense. It really reminds you of being in India. Do want to-
Oh, it
yeah.
smells so good and the colors are so nice.
Oh look, villa for sale in Pondicherry.
Thank you. Do you have kingfisher beers? Kingfisher, yeah. Thank you. Hello.
गाड़ी तो इधर की रह गई ये लिया
Oh, look at this.
नहीं दूसरा
I've got most of my Indian vegetable shopping done already. This is one of the better supermarkets over here behind me. The only thing missing now are the sweets, and we are going to go to a sweet shop now to get some jalebis.
Wow. Vous prenez les cartes de crédit?
Can you give me 6-piece jalebi? I like this place because of all the sweet shops in Gare du Nord, this is the only place where I like their samosas the best. Here, do you want to just show the samosas over there? So, yeah, I really like it. So it's not.
Thank you.
Oui, c'est bon.
All right. Thank you.
That's it.